Hello everyone, this is Jordan from PINEXL.com and today I'm going to show you how to use our KPI Dashboard template. The purpose of this file is to be able to present KPIs in an engaging and understandable way. Although the file's name is KPI Dashboard, it is possible to show not only KPIs, but all kinds of other data as well. The first thing you see when you open our file is the overall layout and feel. It is designed to look not like a simple Excel spreadsheet, but more modern and professional, almost like a standalone application. You'll notice that the sheet tabs have been hidden. To go through the different sheets of the document, the navigation pane on the left is used. Next to it we have all data and visualizations. This design is kept throughout the file. The first page is the overview. In it we have the monthly KPI results displayed by the donut charts. A chart will be shown only if a KPI has been added to the data input sheet. This means that if we have added 5 KPIs, only 5 charts will be shown. If we add one more, an additional donut chart will be displayed automatically. This is preset for up to 25 different KPIs. Inside the donuts, we have a percentage result, which shows the actual versus target value for the specific month. All of the charts are with dynamic colors, which means that the color of the donut changes based on the percentage value. This percentage value can actually be adjusted so you can decide what the different color level should be. Under each chart, the target and actual value is displayed for the respective KPI and month. On the top of the sheet, you can find a line chart which serves as a spark line, representing the average actual versus target percentage between all KPIs for each month. On the right, we have a bar chart showing the average actual versus budget value between all KPIs for the selected month. The month for which the data is displayed can be easily changed through the scroll bar under the month. It controls all relevant charts in this view. Now let's move to the KPI Analysis tab. There we can drill down and find more detailed information. The main focus in this sheet is the big actual versus target chart. In it, the actual result and target are displayed for the selected KPI. The data is shown for the whole available period. The color of the bars is dynamic, which means that it will be red or green depending on if the target has been achieved or not. The chart will also take into account whether the KPI target is the lower or the higher the better. The formatting of the data labels and axis values will be automatically updated based on the format of the selected KPI. The KPI itself can be selected through the drop-down menu on the top. When you add a new KPI in the data input sheet, it will be automatically made available for selection here as well. Next to the drop-down menu, more detailed information for the selected KPI is available. There is an actual versus target donut chart, actual result and target values, the direction for the target, and an actual versus month calculation. The last one will show the percentage difference between two selected months. The month for the top pane can be changed via the scroll bar under the KPI drop-down menu. Next we have the traffic lights sheet. Here the actual versus target value is shown visually through red, amber and green traffic lights. The information is available for all KPIs and for all months, so that it can give a general idea of the overall performance of the company. Next comes the data input sheet. From here all charts and tables are fed. Here is where the user adds the KPI names and targets. The format of the KPI is chosen here as well through the drop-down menu. By default, the available formats are volume, percentage and currency. Next, the direction for the target is chosen. Will the result be the lower the better or the higher the better? Finally, the monthly data is added. Of course, this does not have to be monthly data. It can be changed to display weekly, quarterly or yearly results. Next, detailed instructions can be found on how to update the file. The last tab is the settings. Here there are two sheets available, tables and mechanics. Let's start with tables. This is where any new month should manually be added in order to update all visualizations. Still, this is very easy to do as all data you see in the tables are actually formulas. Finally, in sheet mechanics, the underlying data for the charts is stored. Here is where you can adjust the color levels for the donut charts as well. Now let's see how we can update the file. To demonstrate that, we will add a new KPI and a new month. Let's go to the data input sheet. We will add the name, target, choose a format and direction for the target. In this case, it will be up, meaning that the higher our actual result is, the better. Now let's add the period data. And that's it! As simple as that. If we go to the overview sheet, we will see that a new donut chart has appeared with a new KPI. It has also automatically been added in sheet KPI Analysis. All additional calculations have also been updated. The KPI is also available in the sheet Traffic Lights. Now let's see how to add a new month. Let's go back to the data input sheet. To start, select the last column and expand it for the new period. This is done so that the custom formatting is copied. Now change the name of the period and add the data for the new month. Perfect. Now go to Sheet Tables. Simply add a new column or row for each of the 3 tables. Add the period name and expand the calculations. We are almost ready. Now just go to Sheet Traffic Lights. Again, select the last column and expand it for the new period. By default, the slicers are set to show a maximum of 12 periods. However, you can change that very easily. Just right-click, go to Format Control and set the preferred maximum value. Note that the cell above the slicer, showing the selected period, will say out of scope if the slicer value is more than the available periods. Now our dashboard is completely updated. As you can see, it takes very little time and is very easy to do, even by less advanced users. So don't hesitate and download your copy today. Impress your audience and engage with your viewers. Don't forget that this dashboard is completely unlocked and no macros or add-ins have been used. This way you'll be able to adapt it and transform it according to your needs. If you like this, make sure to check out our website and YouTube channel for more dynamic Excel dashboards and templates. This was Jordan from PINEXL.com. Thank you very much for watching.